Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to dual stream on Twitch and YouTube. So in order to do that, you have multiple methods. There is the method of using Restream, which is a website that you can go and create an account on and connect to your Twitch and YouTube, then start your stream from OBS. There is the OBS plugin, which is RTMP, where you can basically add your stream key and Twitch key and start streaming, and you'll be able to stream in both. And of course, there are a lot of paid method tools like Streamlabs Ultra, Restream paid, and also OBS plus some cloud services for better quality and more stability. You'll have to keep in mind that some Twitch agreements used to restrict this, like streaming on Twitch and YouTube. And as of some recent updates, most streamers can multi-stream, but always check your contract with Twitch, especially if you are an affiliate or a partner. So the method that I'm going to focus on is simply the restream option. You can see other methods, as example by Ron if you want to, because this is the easiest method. Basically, you can go and type restream in websites, create an account, and make sure to go and connect your two channels, Twitch and YouTube. You can start then your stream from OBS on Restream, and Restream should send your stream to both platforms. So as an example, on this left panel, you can go here and click on channels and connect your YouTube channel. So click on YouTube, click on connect, make sure to connect to it. So I'm connecting to my channel. Okay, I do have a channel here. Let me just go back, click on this, and here click on this channel, click on continue, manage your YouTube account. Of course, give it access, make sure to give it access, and click on continue. The same will be for Twitch. So as you can see, you can also enable live streaming. You'll have to enable it through YouTube. So as you can see on YouTube, you'll have to request access. It may take to 24 hours, so make sure to request that in order to multi-stream. Also, I'm going to click on add new, and of course, we're looking for Twitch. So connecting our Twitch account, basically. So we're just logging into Twitch accounts again. It's pretty simple, so it's the easiest method. You don't have to do much. So they send me a code as my Gmail. Let me just go as my Gmail. And they give me a code. So all I need to do, just go and copy this, go back here, and simply just paste the code and click on continue. And I should be logged in into that account. Make sure to authorize everything here. You can read that again, of course, if you want to. And I should be done. So I'm connected to both Twitch and YouTube. As I said, you will have to request streaming if it's your first time on YouTube, so make sure to do so. So once you do so, here you can start a new stream. So click on start a new stream and you have Restream Studio. So for example, you can go live or record from your browser right away. If you go and click on that, you can go and do that. So setting the stage for you, and you can allow the microphone and camera as well. So both of them can be allowed. So for me, I'm just going to do this OBS virtual camera. It will not show anything, but it's fine. I'm going to leave it as it is. And I'm going to click on allow. And here you can enter your studio without camera if you want to, or whatever you want. So it's totally up to you. Give it a title to the stream, and basically you can start streaming right away. So here at the top right, you can see your live stream quality. You cannot go higher unless you pay for a plan. And here you can click on go live and you'll be able to go live. So here, don't click on yes, go live, click on add channels and make sure to add your channels right here. As I said, I cannot stream here on YouTube, but for you, you'll be able to. So for me, I'm just going to add those and I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to click on go live again. Of course, if you want to add more channels, you'll be able to see right here a lot of channels. And on the free plan, you can only go live in 2 channels. If you want more than 2 channels like YouTube, Twitch, and something else, you can do that with a better plan. So that's if you want to stream from Restream IO right away. If you want, you have the encoder or RTMP option where you'll be able to stream from OBS, Zoom, whatever, but you'll have to download the plugin, or you have the pre-recorded live stream. Just turn videos or stream recorders into a broadcast and just stream it. So if you go with the option here, so it's another option. They will give you like the URL and stream key. You'll have to go and add it to OBS and stuff like that. It's a little bit annoying, but you can go with this option if you want to. Just add your channels here and you can go live streaming on OBS using the Restream option. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.